Hey YouTube, we've got a 2018 Ford Escape in the shop today. 2018 Escape, 2018 Ford Kuga, just depending on what continent you're on. Anyway, pretty much the same thing either way. I just wanted to do a quick video on these rear wiper blades. Ford changed the design, maybe the 2016 model year, 2017 model year, I forget. But they changed how these wiper blades attach to the wiper arm. Slight difference in how you remove it. And if you try to apply the method that works on the older Escapes, like the 2016 and older Escapes, you might end up breaking the wiper arm. So anyway, let me show you real quick on how to remove the original factory wiper blade on these later model Escapes. First off, you'll take note here that the wiper arm only moves up 2.5, 3 inches from the glass. Don't force it. This is as far up as you can move it, unfortunately. The next thing you need to do is grab a hold of the blade, okay? And what we're going to do is pull it towards the right side or passenger side of the vehicle. So try to get good purchase on it, and again, pull towards the right side. You should hear a pop or feel a pop. Once you feel the pop, push the wiper blade towards the glass and it should unhook. So this is the revised wiper blade and how it attaches. As you can see here, there's a slot that the pin goes through and then it locks in place. So if you're replacing it with a factory, Motorcraft part like this, it's just backwards of how you removed it. Let me see if I can get you a better camera angle here. Okay, sorry about that pause there. I ended up taking the wiper arm off just to show a little more clearly how the wiper blade attaches to these wiper arms. This is the pin that I was talking about that interfaces with this slot. So to put it back together, let's get a good camera angle here. You line the slot with the pin, push it into the wiper arm like so, and then push it towards the driver's side. Again, I've got the wiper arm off for better clarity. You do not have to do this. So you pull, so if it's on the vehicle, you pull this blade towards the driver's side or the left side, and it'll engage in that hook. And again, to release it, you pull towards the passenger or right side. You'll hear it click like so, and then it'll release just like that. I hope you find this video useful. I wanted to get information out there about these newer Motorcraft blades and how they interface with the back of the wiper arm here. If you like videos like this, please leave a comment below and let me know. Click like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks. Okay, well I thought I'd just do some bonus footage here. The main reason why I made a video for this is to let you guys know that the blade's changed over the years. And also because I'm actually replacing this blade. The customers complain that it's streaking and not wiping well and shattering. So I'm not replacing this one with a Motorcraft blade. It was not available at the time that I needed it, so I went ahead and picked up a Trico rear blade. These work quite well in my experience, and here's the part number. It does fasten a bit differently than these 2018 Motorcraft blades. Here's the package. It comes with a ton of different attachments. Here's the blade. All right. The attachment that we need for this specific vehicle is the one that's labeled G. So there's the slots here that this adapter piece lines up and engages with. So just line them up like so, and then push in the direction of the arrow, like that. Make sure this G piece is tight. It often comes with this piece here that's not required on these Fords, or at least this particular model of Ford. Once you remove that, you'll see the hook here. As you can see, this is a little bit different than the original Motorcraft one, being that it just goes straight into the arm. It doesn't get pulled to the right and then pulled out of the arm. It just gets snapped in, pretty much just like the 2016 and older Ford Escapes and Kugas. So I'll go ahead and put this blade on. I've got to take that other blade off again. Don't forget to take the protective sleeve off of the new blade. All right, so again, we push this straight into the pin that's on the back side of the arm. Okay. Once we have it aligned, just push against the arm or towards the arm. I usually like to put the back of my palm here and just push towards the arm. You'll hear it click in, and you're done. It's highly advisable to clean the window before you run this new wiper blade on it. Just gets rid of some contaminants, you know, road tar or whatever you might have on it. But anyway, that's how this blade attaches. And if you need to remove it in the future when you replace it again, it's a little easier, I think, than the original 2018 Motorcraft blade. Just pull away from the arm towards the glass, just like that. So, hope this helps. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.